It's it is a massive challenge in sport. I think, it's one thing to lose a game and feel the pressure of losing. Sometimes you win games and you still get that pressure. So I think there can be much better support for coaches in this type of environment, and in saying that, I was talking to Mikey 2 weeks ago about our trip happening now. I have to mention, on top of your point now around our families who are also part of this. Um, we can go to France and do a good job. I've got 3 kids at home that I have to leave. If it wasn't for Joe, my better half, looking after the kids, looking after the household, I can't perform as well. Achiva's got a young boy. If Busi is not there, it's he doesn't perform as well. Same thing for all our players. Netling's got 2 young kids. Rowan's got a young kid. So all those things end up building up into pressure, when you leave your family. So the support is extremely important for coaches and for players, because this is a high pressure environment. As much as we love it, I think it's important that we as teams and unions start investing more in making sure that we look at mental health in a very serious eye.